Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to block group text on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Messages app. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. This is the default app for handling text messages on Android. Step 2. Once you're in the Messages app, you'll see a list of all your conversations, including individual texts and any group messages. Scroll through until you locate the group text that you want to block. Step 3. Now tap on that group conversation to open it up. You'll see the chat window with all the messages that have been sent within that group. Step 4. In the chat window, look towards the top right corner of the screen for a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to see more options for that conversation. Step 5. From the drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Report Spam and tap on it. Reporting a conversation as spam will block further messages from that group. Step 6. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping on the Yes option when prompted. This will officially block that group text, and you won't receive any more messages from it. And that's it. You've successfully blocked group text on Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.